अभी धान बेचेंगे तो हम खुश हैं। हम उकर मसान प्रधान हमार धान बेचागे हमन खुश हैं, नहीं बेचा रहा है ताली दुख रहे हैं। हमार पापा हमारा स्कूल छोड़े जाते वहाँ लड़का मन सन खेलता।
मो ना पूजा साहू, मु चतुर्थ श्रेणी रे पढ़ी अच्छी। मो बापा जने चाषी लोक। मो बापा मते प्रतिदिन स्कूल नहीं जाती। धान बिक्री हो जाए ठीक भाव पैसा पाई खुशी रे अच्छु आमे।
मु वर्तमान चाष मोर गुजराण मेटाऊँगी। मु चाष भल उपकृत हो आगु ये धान बिकवाटा बहुत काठिकर पाठ होता। अंडर रेट से बिकुलु जहाँद्वारा कि पैसाटा भी मिलवाटा काठिकर पाठ हो जाता। ताद्वारा कौन सी काम जेन पैसाटा पाऊँ से कैसी काम भी नहीं लगुला।
The government of Odisha has been procuring paddy directly from the farmers under the decentralized procurement scheme for the last decade. At present, this procurement system is being operated at more than 2,500 locations across the state, mostly at primary agricultural cooperative society, self-help groups and Pani Panchayat. The system also runs at market yards and cooperative organizations of society. But that was not sufficient. Since payments were being made by account-paid checks at the society level, there were innumerable issues relating to payment. To resolve the issues during paddy procurement process, the Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Department decided to automate the entire process at the society and market yard level. Online transactions not only facilitated smooth procurement of paddy, but also its delivery and online payments to the farmers. The automation system is an initiative of the Department of International Development, DFID, supported by Odisha Modernizing Economy Governance Administration, or OMEGA.
Now, this automation was thought to be implemented primarily to track as to how much we are procuring and what is the progress accordingly, because fund flow is also organized and we need to know who are the farmers and how much quantity we are procuring, whether we are able to achieve the target. Secondly, if there are more farmers in an area and our target allotted is low, then we can see if the progress is good, more target can be given. So accordingly funds can be also allocated. So basically we wanted to automate all transactions at the society level, at the mandi level.
In this process of selling paddy, the farmers have to first register themselves under Ppas, or the Primary Agriculture Cooperative Society. The registration provides them information as to when to sell the paddy. Later, at the time of selling paddy, the farmers collect their token, deposit the paddy in the society where the paddy undergoes quality testing and is then sold. The farmers then receive their payment within 3 days in their respective bank accounts, and a message to that effect is sent to them. The software generates an SMS alert on the daily and progressive performance of society and PACS and sends them to different stakeholders at the block level. It also generates an SMS alert on the receipt of paddy by the miller from PACS on the basis of the paddy acceptance note and sends it to different stakeholders at the state and district level. It also generates an SMS alert on the daily and progressive performance of blocks or districts and sends it to officials at district and state level for information. These steps have made the payment process smooth and easy.
Initially, the idea was how can we make it easier for the people on the ground to sell their paddy? How can we make it transparent and accountable for the system to make their payments within time and also to ensure economy for the government through this process? And this was achieved through a massive coordination with all the departments that were involved, the Revenue Department, Agriculture Department, Cooperation Department, the Food Supplies Department. Everyone had to come on board to make this a reality.
The farmers are now able to sell their paddy on time and receive the vendor receipt as well. Documents such as the acceptance note, truck challans generated from the system save substantial time and energy in comparison to the earlier system by the PACS and farmers at the paddy procurement centers. Keeping accurate accounts of PACS and market yard or the paddy procurement center has become very convenient for the staff. The records are easily available for verification. Quick updating of records helps the societies to ensure timely payment to the farmers. Chances of error in recording information are eliminated due to computerization. Ppas ensures better coordination between stakeholders and officials with easy availability of data. Such transparency of information optimizes the fund flow mechanism and transparent transactions. Thereby, more paddy is procured per day for the mandi.
The purpose of Ppas was threefold. The first was to make it easier for the farmers to sell their paddy on the field and get money in their accounts quickly. The second was to increase transparency and accountability of the amount that is received. And the third is to create an economy for the government by reducing the float that is available and to reduce the interest cost on it.
At present, there are two models under the Paddy Procurement Automation System: issuing payment advices and direct transfer to the account of the farmer through digital signature certificates. The farmers are issued checks if the bank fails to credit the amount into their accounts. However, almost 95% of the farmers receive money through payment advices. Soon, this online system will be operational in 160 high procuring blocks, benefiting about 80% farmers across Odisha.
This is a huge project, but we have been working for last 2 years. We started with one society in Godbhaga, then we went to 4 blocks, then to 10 blocks. Now we are at 60 blocks. Now we want to expand it to the top procuring blocks in the next Kharif.
आगुरी धान बिकबार तमना असुविधा हटे होतेला कम रेट रे भी दिया होतेला या छनका वर्तमान तमना 2-3 बरस रो तमना सरकार के तला धान घेनला हमर सोसाइटी रे तमना ठीक तमना आसला पैसा भी हमें पाउजो 2-3 दिन भितरे
एबे सब ऑनलाइन सिस्टम कर देले सब भल भाव रे धान बिकुछु पैसा भी सागे संग हमर 2-3 दिन भितरे ऑनलाइन सिस्टम रे अकाउंट रे सागे संग आसी जाउछि तापर मेसेज भी आसुछि हमर अकाउंट रे आमे जाई करी पैसा काढी आनी पारुछु भारी सुविधा कर देला सरकार भल भाव रे पैसा पाउछु भल भाव रे धान बिकुछु.
The procurement of paddy, along with the introduction of Paddy Procurement Automation System or Ppas, has not only led these farmers to sell their paddy at justified price, but it has also saved them from unnecessary hassles. Participation of farmers has increased and their satisfaction is ensured due to advanced token system, on-the-spot vendor receipt and quicker disbursement of payment due to Ppas. The farming community has welcomed this move of the government. They have considerably benefited from this system as it has helped them to improve their living conditions.